was right. Throw him at a bone and he'll mess up the carpet.
Welcome home, my dainty dowdy darlings.
I say we call the cops!
Enough already!
It's dark.
What do you do now?
A treat for my sweets? Okay, let's pick some woo.
Holy mackerel! Say the magic words. Bubbly, bubbly, boo.
I felt you good day, ladies.
These guys are creeping me out!
Baby
Let's
Doris,
hide in
yes?
the room!
To my
That's it! I'm calling the cops!
The number you are dialing is not in service.
What number do you dial for 911?
No cops!
Care to snuggle under my blanket of a moon?